how to import the libraries that are used in Python, which are imports, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and others. Next, we have to use Boston dataset, which is already built in sklearn library with DSCR command to print the characteristics of Boston housing prices. Next, we print the database as a data frame. Use the feature name column. It produces column of output as the 506 rows and 13 columns. To display only one column, we can use a syntax Boston tags. Now we will assign the target, which are the prices that we need to predict. To find the minimum and maximum values in a particular column using the min and max function. Now let's see Boston and target frames. Now we can concatenate data frames using describe function, and also we can round up the data values and decimal points using roundup function. Next, we have to visualize the data set to find the features which target is highly descendant. Now we can see that the target is highly correlate with stat. We can also normalize the data using min and max scalar function to find the mean, error function, scalar function, gradient descent function. In gradient descent function, we'll return mean square value which is less than the error threshold. Thank you.